You've been expecting.
Can I get a sandwich?
Okay, let's start with this one.
I'll take one of every meat.
What kind of cheese?
Every cheese.
Are you gonna toast it, sir?
Yes.
What kind of vegetables?
All the vegetables.
What kind of sauces?
Every sauce. After a long period of wondering if the fan-made Subway sandwich would become a reality, we have listened to your requests, and today is that day. Now the review of the beast. As you can see, we had to use two 6-inch sub breads to be able to fit the monstrosity that our fans have created. Let's get into it. Third bite in, it is apparent that the fans wanted mustard and jalapenos. Quite a mix. It seems to be that the meat is all on the right side and the salad is on the left. Oh, A meatball. Very meaty, very circular. Good meatball. This is a lot of sandwich. I don't know what the fans were thinking. Am I a god? No. I'm just a man with a simple, reliable food show. Some may say that makes me a god, but that does not. As you can see with the sandwich, all the meat has migrated to the left, while all the salad stays at the right. This is quite a challenge. I thank you. As requested by a special fan, there is a lot of vinegar on this sandwich. Very parched. Thank you to those fans who requested honey. A very good choice. It tastes like low-fat mayonnaise and vinegar. Thank you. The last bite of this godforsaken sandwich that you, the reliable food viewers, have made for me. All around, an excellent sandwich. Thank you. Please vote again for what our next review will be. Thank you. An excellent sandwich. I'd like to thank all of the people who submitted votes for the sandwich, and we'd like to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please follow us on Instagram, and wait for the next vote to see what we will be reviewing. Thank you, and see you next time.